Here we are at our chapter 1, target 3A. We're asked to prove that the following is or is not a right triangle. Now, in just looking at this one, it does look like it is a right triangle just because we kind of see that right angle right here. But we can't definitively say it is without using something to be able to prove that. Because again, that's the end game here, is we have to prove this. Now, this does reasonably look like our right angle. So for right now, we're just going to say that that is our right angle. And then the side opposite of that right angle should be then our hypotenuse. So when we're looking at something that we can use, the hypotenuse is directly across from that 90 degrees. Now, anytime we have that right triangle, what we can use is our Pythagorean theorem. And as a result, we have then our a squared plus our b squared is equal to our c squared. And really the hypotenuse will always be our c. So then that means that our a and b would be this 3 and this 4. All we have to do next is pretty much just throw those items inside of our Pythagorean theorem. So instead of a, we have our 3. And that is being squared. Plus our b, instead of b, it is 4. And that is being squared. Equals our c, here it is, 5. That is being squared. Now, with the Pythagorean theorem also, in case you're not really sure which one is the right angle, because a lot of times these images necessarily aren't scaled appropriately. And that's totally fine. Just look at the biggest number, and then that would be your C to check for the Pythagorean theorem. So this would be your C then. So that's another way that you can know, oh, which one is going to be my hypotenuse or my biggest. So yeah, again, it's just that biggest number. Taking our 3 squared, we end up with 9, plus our 4 squared gives us 16. 5 squared gives us 25. And again, right now, we're trying to check and see, is this a true statement? Does the left side match the right side? Because if it does, that means that we have a right triangle. 9 plus 16 gives us 25. Is that, in fact, equal to 25? It most certainly is. So then the answer to this would be yes. This is, in fact, a right triangle. Because again, the Pythagorean theorem only works for right triangles. So kind of a lot involved in that video. Just recall though that the biggest number is going to be the hypotenuse. The legs, or your A and B, it doesn't matter which one's your A and which one's your B. We could have actually had these flip-flop. That's fine. Because when we check, your 16 would have been over here, and then your 9 would have just been over here instead. So, but you'll still get the same thing when you add those two. So it doesn't matter which one is A and which one's B. That one doesn't matter. And then again, just really checking to see if this is in fact a right triangle, then the Pythagorean theorem should work for it. In this case, it did. So there, we've proven it, and it is in fact a right triangle. Again, though, that is our chapter 1, target 3.